Double chain is a variation of chain stitch where each chain is pulled into alternating triangles, forming a wide line. This stitch follows the same technique as a simple chain stitch. The only difference between the two is that a double chain stitch is done over two parallel stitch lines instead of one. It might be easier to stitch if you draw a pair of parallel lines in advance. I started from the left side and made one straight stitch to make this chain stitch closed from the beginning. Come up from the top and pass your needle through the bottom line. Make a loop and pass your needle and thread through it. Right now you want to create a triangle on one side. Then go back to the same hole on the top line and come up inside the loop, creating another triangle on another side. Continue this way, making loops with an open base on the left and right stitch lines. Hold the thread down with your non-dominant hand to keep it in place. To finish, just make an anchor stitch as usual. You can come up a little closer to close the last stitch. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you and you learned something. If yes, please give it a like and leave your comment. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!